This is a laptop. Sorry, this is a laptop symbol. So I create this laptop symbol after opening Microsoft Word document, and you can also change the color of this laptop by simply selecting from here. So you can change the color of laptop also from here. So this video we are going to discuss how to create this symbol, this laptop symbol in your computer. So after opening your Microsoft Word document, you can simply try this Alt code, this keyboard shortcut. So you must turn on the number lock. So first we enable the number lock, and after that you can simply type here. So before that you must press one key in Alt key. So you must press Alt key. You do not remove the finger from Alt key, and at the same time you must type here 128.187. So you must, after typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.